Coughing all night, stuffy nose. Before you reach for medicine, try this natural remedy. Warm water with honey and ginger is one of the oldest natural remedies for cough and cold. Honey coats your throat and calms irritation, while ginger helps fight inflammation and clears mucus. Just boil fresh ginger in water for 5 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then add a spoon of honey. Sip it warm, especially at night, and feel the relief. This combo can also ease sore throat, boost immunity, and help you sleep better. Save this for later, and follow Vital Health Secrets for more natural remedies that actually work.